It's happened before. Never hurts to stun your bait.
He's stunned. You've tuned him right up, Joe. And off he goes. Boom. Bait drop. Well, here's you another one. Oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, it was if I'd have just jerked it on up, got it up here. Oh, look, oh my gosh. Quadruple.
4.
They're in the boat.
That's all it counts.
Golly.
Here, over here.
Got him a quad.
Come on.
Let me grab this and fell in there. There we go.
Bring the funk back. Hold on to it. Trying to find the nostril there. Okay, there goes.
All right, Dad, we're out Sabiki rigging, and you just threw a big alewife off the backside, huh?
Yep. Opposite side of the boat.
Try to catch something while we're catching bait.
Well, you've already got there when it hit.
What, you got him, Dad? Look like it. He's on there. He's on there. Get him.
Oh yeah. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Big bass. That's a good one. Big old largemouth.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Get him.
That's a pretty good size one there, buddy. Grab him by the lip.
I'm going to. Not a bad largemouth.
No, that's about 2-pounder, ain't it?
I get it off.
Look at that.
That's a little largemouth.
He was on there, wasn't he?
Yeah, buddy.
There you go. Come on.
Joe, land.
Come on. Move it over. Come on.
You got him?
Yeah.
That needed hard, man.
Yeah.
You feel like anything, or
Not really.
he's still on there?
He's still on here, but he's...
That's bluegill, ain't it?
Yeah.
Is it a carp?
Is that a drum?
Or a drum?
That is a drum.
What is a drum?
That is a drum.
We talked to a guy the other day, said that is great eating. I've never ate a drum.
I have not either.
Nice size drum though. Yeah. Big drum fish.
Yeah, that ain't too deep there, is it?
There you go.
Scared me, making me think if we had an actual good fish.
Everybody's hands.
Small fish.
Oh yeah. It's a fish.
Got him.
I don't think it's a rock fish, though.
It might be a bass or something.
Come on here, Dad. Oh
Oh yeah, it might be a small one.
Smallmouth.
Is it a smallmouth?
Yeah. You can catch some good smallmouth like this.
Yeah, they're fun to catch too.
Look at that, that's a big one.
Big old smallmouth.
Oh wow. Look at that baby.
Boy, that's a good looking smallmouth.
Well, some guys at some bass tournaments love have this thing right there.
Oh, you got one.
Oh, that's 2.5 pounds, something maybe.
Not a rockfish, but fun to catch.
Oh gosh, yeah. That might have been what you had too.
Now we go old school. Let him run. I love it. Is he doing that?
Yeah, he's doing that.
This is old school. Let him run and set it. Got it. Ah. Yep. What's it feel like?
You can have to pull the drag every once in a while. Probably a big channel. Channel. Oh, you got that hand up, I'm sure.
Hold him up there. Can we get a picture with you or not?
Trying to find that nose. It's hard to find. There, I think. All right. First one down.
Oh, I ain't never done anything like this. Oh, hey, oh, get that, get. There you go. There you go. Here. Let her have it there. Watch out, that. And I'll get the net.
But she's blocking the net. Just take your time to.
See a good one?
Oh yeah.
Let it run. It won't hurt.
Yeah, you don't have to toss him.
He's just right here.
Okay. You reel down to him.
Ah, he'll come on. He's running the break.
That's all right. He'll come up here in a minute.
Oh, it's a
The catfish?
No.
No, that's smallmouth.
smallmouth.
Big old smallmouth.
Bottom of him.
Look at that sucker.
Hold him up here. Well, it ain't a rockfish, but a nice smallmouth.
Yeah, buddy.
Let me get you a picture with him there, hang on.